This is mission 8, experiment 16. It's a repeat of experiment 15 with 6 robots. All the robots are ready, and I'm about to start the client. This is the Ferris client. Okay, it just sent the motion scripts, and now it's going to send one at a time, separated by 30 seconds. That's twice the separation as last time. Last time they were jumbled together. It was a 16-second separation. So now we still have 5 left here. Every 30 seconds, the Ferris middleware will launch one more. Sure feels like forever. Alright, so the next one is gone. The first one is heading towards waypoint 2. The second one is heading towards waypoint 1. And we still have 4 more at the launch site. Again, it's one robot starts every 30 seconds. Alright, and the next one has started. So, let's see, we have one robot that is heading towards waypoint 3. We got another robot that's heading towards waypoint 2. And we got a third robot now that's heading towards waypoint 1. That is actually at waypoint 1. And let's see, wait for the next one to start. I believe it's another about 5 seconds. There it goes. We now have 4 robots out on the field. One of them has just left waypoint 3. One is at waypoint 2. Oh, there's a collision. Let's try to fix that. So Guinness has collided with Lone Star. All of them seem to be running fine though. So even with the 30-second separation, they still collide, but that's okay. I've already resolved that. And let's see, we got one robot here that is at waypoint 1, one robot here at waypoint 2. We got 2 robots heading towards waypoint 3. We got 1 robot heading towards waypoint 5. So this last one is now launching. I believe that's Checkvar. Now Checkvar has a tendency to swerve over there to the right, so it's very hard for it to turn left. So it is probably going to be the last among this group. But let's see. What do we have now? We have one robot here heading towards waypoint 2, one just leaving waypoint 5. We got three robots over there near waypoint 3. One of them just arrived waypoint 3. 2 of them are just leaving waypoint 3. We got one robot over here. I believe it's Checkvar. It's heading towards waypoint 2. Let's go ahead and follow these guys over here since there's so many of them. So far, so good. We have 6 robots that are out. Okay, the last robot has just arrived at the second waypoint. We got one way far down there who's just leaving waypoint 6. Let me see if there's been a collision over here. Don't see any collision. I see some robots. I see some robots heading towards waypoint 5. There's 1, 2, 3 that are heading towards waypoint 5. One that is leaving waypoint 3. One's heading towards waypoint 3 right here. And the first one is way out there in the corner, just arriving at waypoint 7. The first robot is just leaving waypoint 7. We got one robot here that is just leaving waypoint 5. We got one at waypoint 5 and one heading towards waypoint 5. My concern is with the robots over there that are waypoint 6. It looks like they're really close to each other. Let's see, we got the first robot here that is at waypoint 8. We got one of them arriving at waypoint 4, which is the same as waypoint 8. Looks like they're not going to collide, no problem there. Let's see. We got 2 robots at waypoint 6, 1 robot arriving waypoint 6, 2 robots that are basically heading towards waypoint 7 right now. And we got 1 robot over here that's leaving waypoint 4. We got 1 robot behind me right here that's heading towards waypoint 9. I don't know if you can see anything in this dark video here, but 1 robot leaving waypoint 5, 1 heading towards waypoint 5. We got 2 robots here heading towards waypoint 7, and we got 3 of them. Okay, 2 of them at waypoint 7. 1 just leaving waypoint 7, 1 at waypoint 7, and 1 arriving at waypoint 7 now. And let's see, that first robot is already heading towards waypoint 10. Okay, so far so good. Here's 3 robots that are just leaving waypoint 7. You can see that despite seemingly identical hardware, they're running quite different paths. You know, they're separated by at least like a parking lot's width. Okay, so here's so waypoint 8. We got another one at waypoint 8. We got another one here that's arriving at waypoint 8. One of them is just leaving waypoint 8. So despite being separated by 30 seconds, you can see that they've jumbled up a little bit. So not only are they differing in terms of path, they're also differing in terms of time, like speed. This is 30 seconds apart. Look how close they are now. So we need to gain a better understanding on why they behave so differently. Let's see, over here we have 1 of them that's heading towards waypoint 8. We have another one that's just leaving waypoint 7. They'll seem fine. Let's catch up with these 3 that are a little bit too close for comfort. See, they're just leaving waypoint 9. You see the first robot's already done. So we have 3 robots here that are now leaving waypoint 9, heading towards waypoint 10. I'm going to try to reach the final waypoint before they get there so they don't crash into each other there. Alright, looks like they made it safely to waypoint 9. 2 of them are basically touching each other right now. They're separated by probably less than an inch. Uh-oh. So 1 of them actually flipped over. Okay, so even though they played bumper cars a little bit, they're still successfully detached from each other, and now they're both getting towards the final waypoint. So 4 of them have now successfully reached the final waypoint. Okay, now one thing is interesting here is the LED. Let's see, red LED number 9 is on, and number 8. Or orange. The 2 orange LEDs are on, as well as the red LED 16. Red LED 10. And you look and see what happened there. But they successfully reached their final waypoint. Let's see, where are the other 2? So we have 1 robot here that's finishing up. We got another robot over there that's on waypoint 9. Let's just make sure they don't crash. So we got 5 robots now that I've finished. And let's see, the last robot is still out in the parking lot. It's getting so dark that this will be the last experiment for today. This is Czechvar, and again it's struggling because I think the front suspension, the steering is not centered. Waypoint 10 reached. So we got 5 robots here. And 1 right here, the last one. Waypoint reached. All 6 robots successfully navigated their GPS waypoints. Now, some error conditions occurred, but it looks like the software, the microcontroller software, was able to recover. Let's analyze the LEDs here. So, for example, LED 8 is on, oh, it just turned off actually. LED 9 is on. Oh, actually, LED 8 is fine because that just means that the safety mechanism is on because the X86 is not sending it any motor commands. But we do need to figure out why LED 10 turned on, which probably means like a buffer overflow or underflow. We need to look it up. Or it could be a compass error, but the compass is still working as shown by the blue LED number 2 is on. So, anyways, the experiment was a success.